In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to run around in the Boxscore League bids portal. To begin, log in to the bids portal. When you're given the privilege to run around, you'll see two additional tabs: the Admin Run Round tab and the Admin Trades tab. In this video, we'll be demonstrating the Run Rounds tab. When you click on it, you'll notice that the owners, there's a section that lists all of the owners, and across the rows what their round max and what their team max was. And the date here indicates when they last saved their bids. By clicking on the Hide and Show Radio buttons, you can display or hide that particular section. The next set of radio buttons is a Locked and Unlocked. What this does is when you select Lock, it prevents any owners from logging in and submitting their bids. Any owner can log in while you are running a round. However, when you lock the screen, or when you lock the bids, when they click on the Round Bids tab, they'll see a blank screen. It's a good idea once you start to run around to lock the bids. If you want to first run the bids and look at them without making them permanent, click on the Run Working Bids. What this does is it takes all of the bids that were submitted for the particular round and computes the results. It's fairly fast. It usually comes back in 1 to 2 seconds. After clicking the Run Rounds bid, you'll see that the max bids, the teams, are hidden, and it shows the results of the working round. In this case, we just ran round 3, and you can see the results page. If, for example, you've noticed that, say, Rich did not enter any bids, you can go into the Show the Teams, click on Rich's team, and there you can see that no bids were entered. For this demonstration, I've used the 2012 bids, the results of 2012, and for the third round, neither Rich nor Rob submitted bids. So if we go back, you'll see that there's no date confirmed for Rich, nor is there one for Rob. Now, if you want to make the bids permanent, the particular round permanent, click on the Finalize Round button. That will take you to a page to verify the finalize. Click on Finalize, and the round will advance. The results will be printed. The results will be computed for round 3. And users then, or owners I should say, can go in and they'll be able now to bid on rounds 4 through 10. If, say, for example, you realize that you need to undo the round. Let's say, for example, someone sent you their bids in email. They were, for one reason or another, unable to log into or use the bids portal. You have the opportunity within the Admin Run Rounds tab to undo a round. So we finalized round 3. We're in round 4 right now. What the undo current round will do is that it will undo the results, unselect those particular players as being owned, and set the round back to as if we were ready to bid on round 3. So click on this button. It will take you to a page to verify that selection, so you have an opportunity there if you hit it by mistake to cancel it. But in this case, let's demonstrate what happens when you click on the Undo Round page. Here you'll notice the round goes back to 3. In my results, I'll only see the results of the first 2. And if I go back to the Admin Run Round page, you'll see everything was sitting there as if round 3 had never been finalized. So I'll just put things back to a final state for we've run round 3. And that concludes this video on how to run a round.